Hi there. Folks, welcome back to Tech Library. This channel provides you with all the tech information that you may need. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about. It is also requested to provide steps to access tagged photos on Facebook. No matter if it is utilized for recollection of previous experiences or for regulating your presence on social media, it is essential to comprehend this feature. So, let's get started. To begin with, one should be connected to Facebook to participate in the current game and log in into his or her account. Just activate the web browser you like to use, type in Facebook. Now go to www.pearson.com, which is the Pearson's Learning Com, and sign in with your username and password. After successfully launching the application, go to your avatar page and log in. This is easily done by clicking one's name or picture located in the top right corner of the Facebook main page. Then, to locate tagged photos, go to the profile page and seek the button with the label Photos. It is primarily used when you want to check out all those photo albums and other photos you have uploaded, or to which you are tagged. If you want to see the photos in which people have tagged you, go to Albums below your profile picture. Look down to where the list is located and click on the album that says Tagged Photos. People can click on the Tagged Photos album so that it is opened. Here you will find all tagged images where your friends have tagged you, or where you have tagged yourself. To want to approve or delete tags that may be associated with any of these pictures, you should click the picture. After that, move the cursor over the photo and click the options like Remove Tag or Report Tag Removal if it is somehow observed as vulgar. And there, you have the exhaustive list of some of the societies that are affiliated to the Kanana Sugar Company. Now you know how to easily view and manage photos with tags on Facebook. That is a good way to be social and not to let the strangers interfere with your life and make decisions for you. So, if you have been of help by this video, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our channel for more on technology tips. This has been Tech Library. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.